My project title is System of System for Quality of Service Observation and Response in Cloud Computing Environment. Abstract. And quality of cloud computing system refer to the determinant of delivery of in IT resources via the internet with pay as you are going price. This paper present a SOS approach to enable quality of service monitoring, management and response for enterprise system that delivery computing as the service through us a cloud computing environment. Existing system. An existing fall in the sort addressing technique QoS specification and monitoring is built using a cloud services. Proposed concept. Quality of service enterprise monitoring management response architecture to provide the identified point within the administrator domain. Existing technique QoS metrics. Proposed techniques system of system with EMMRA techniques. Technique definitions. System of system is a collection of the task oriented or determinant of system that pulls their resources and capability together to create a new, more and complex systems. Advantage: more accuracy and security, more efficiently. Application: online shopping website. In the block diagram of the overall diagrams, cloud environment can be used in the end user can access the request and response, and data provider also we use in the response and request. Attacker can attack in the direct cloud. EMMR architecture metrics observations. Software requirement: operating system Windows 7 and Visual Studio 2010, front-end ASP.NET, back-end SQL Server 2008. Hardware requirement: processor Pentium dual core, hard disk 40 GB. And future techniques can be used in the cloud computing as the para diagram within the big data centers. Thank you.